Many people do not know this, but this root is almost magic to lose weight. Maca is a food from the high parts of Peru and Bolivia, which is why it is known as maca de los Andes or maca from Peru. This food is very popular for its aphrodisiac properties and for being a good ally for losing weight. Maca also has great nutritional qualities that make it a perfect ingredient to enjoy healthy and balanced recipes in our day-to-day. As we told you how to take the maca to lose weight, and you can take advantage of all the. Maca contains a lot of properties that help us lose weight. The plant contains sterols that function as antioxidants that promote cell metabolism and, therefore, helps to destroy fat accumulations. Maca also has zinc and manganese, two minerals that help to improve the metabolism of our internal organs and, therefore, help eliminate stored fatty tissues. It is a diuretic plant and therefore acts as a perfect natural detoxifier to help us lose weight. Maca promotes the stimulation of the thyroid gland, contributing to the degradation of fats. It also helps regulate the body's glucose, that is, it regulates the sugar levels we consume. Remember that you can easily buy maca capsules from herbalists. Here we explain how to prepare a tea of litter to lose weight. To take maca to lose weight, you must know that you can ingest this plant as an infusion and make a tea maca that will be perfect for your goal of weight loss. You can consume the maca both in its fresh form and in its dry form so that it can be made as an infusion. 1. To do this, you should boil some water and, when it breaks to a boil, throw some maca leaves or maca powder to acquire all the properties of this plant. 2. To take advantage of the benefits of maca tea, ideally is to drink 3 cups throughout the day, distributed before the main meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner. They will help you eliminate toxins and lose weight.